Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting only the required documents: passport, government ID, appointment code, and any specific form. Create the agency account now because you need it to schedule. Write down the username and password immediately. Once done, verify payment options and fees so you aren't delayed at checkout. Also check photo and signature rules before booking, since incorrect documents can require rescheduling. This first step gets you eligible and ready to move straight into the booking flow without wasted time. You log into the account and go directly to schedule appointment for biometrics. Don't browse other menus. Choose a convenient enrollment center, then pick the earliest available date and time. If none, check for cancellations daily. Make the payment with the confirmed method and carefully review the appointment summary, location code, time window, and required documents. Once confirmed, save or print the appointment notice and capture the confirmation number on your phone. These steps lock the slot and prevent later rebooking. You arrive 15 minutes early with originals and your confirmation. Bring any extra forms just in case. At the center, follow directions for identity checks, fingerprint scanning, and the photo session. Ask the technician if a detail seems unclear. After completion, keep the receipt and note any tracking or case numbers. If the appointment is canceled or you encounter a technical issue, call support right away with your confirmation number and request a reschedule. They can often move you into a sooner cancellation slot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.